Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we write a program in which we take input from the user and multiply two numbers in C language. Now let's get started. First of all, we create a file. Say multiply.c. Multiply.c. Include here we include Visual Studio TTL Studio and main. We take just variable, let's say x, printf, enter first number, and percent d and percent x. We take another variable, let's say y, int y, now printf, um, printf, and the second number. Scanf percent d, comma, and percent y, semicolon. Now we take a variable in which we multiply two numbers and multiply equal to x into y. Printf, printf the multiplication of two numbers is percent d, comma, multiply. So we return it, return. Now we run it. We enter here first number, let's say 8, second number, let's say 4. The multiplication of two numbers is started. The code execution is successful. Thank you guys.